So this would be our buying position in Ethereum. Now I was just muted. My call was going on. I just now I unmuted myself. So we are just going to plan a buy side here, and we are going to jump when once market bounce on these levels in both the side. Still we are not in this trade, but we are going to jump in this trade for buy side. The reason for buy side is simple. We are getting a trend line breakdown, retest, and follow through. So don't forget to like our stream. So yes, we can buy. So this would be our buying position. This is our buying position in Ethereum. This is our buying position in Ethereum. There, this must be stop loss of almost 14 to 15 points. Almost we can hold till 15 points here, and we can plan almost 1:2 risk reward ratio from these levels. And in it, Bitcoin too, it's the same. We'll keep stop loss of almost 300 points. We can keep it at 350 points because there's a support here. Market can bounce from that level if it goes negative, and almost target 1:2. Okay, so we are in both of these trade with retracement in Ethereum 2 and in BTC 2. Yes, Bitcoin. See, these are the levels of Bitcoin. You can buy at these levels. Stop loss must be of these levels because there is a support at these levels. Like I'll show you. See, यहाँ पर ये जो support है ना, यहाँ से market bounce भी कर सकता है. So that's why I kept this that stop loss. The reason for buy is simple. This liquidity is still pending at these levels. Market can gain that liquidity, and we are getting a trend line. You can see rejection, and breakout, retest, and follow through. So we are buy in both sides. We are in buy in Bitcoin too, and we are buying Ethereum too. We almost got a retracement too from that levels. Yes, we are getting one again retracement in Ethereum. You can see Bitcoin is strong, but Ethereum is weak. Yes, it's on the retracement zone, but we have a stop loss of 15 points. Market can bounce from the levels because we have a perfect trend line. See, like I said, like I said in front of you. I'm going to tell my stop loss till 150 points and 10 points in Ethereum. We're not going to make it C2C. Once market crosses this zone in Ethereum and this zone in BTC, then we are going to keep our stop loss C2C. So are you in this trade in both side or not? या ब्रो. So, जैसे मैं आपको बताऊंगा जहाँ पर ट्रेड लेता हूँ वहां से मेरे ही फेवर में जाते हैं. कहीं मैं भगवान तो नहीं. ना इतना अंका अच्छा नहीं भगवान का. हम बस भगवान के दास है. We just plan with our technical levels and trend line and with retracement and with our logic. We are not God. We are just das of gods. And those who are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like our stream. You can face a small rejection, but see, there's sellers on this. Sellers will try one attempt. It will attempt once again to pull down. But if buyers are strong, they can break the levels. Sellers will attempt once because there's a large zone where sellers are going to attempt. In gold too, we can see a retracement. I'll just draw a Fibonacci levels in gold from top to bottom. It's up to 618. We can plan gold trade like this. This could be our gold trade with Fibonacci retracement. I think we almost got 270 280 points in BTC and almost 7 points in Ethereum. Not much big, but it's in our favor. We are going to still hold this trade. The reason for this planning this gold trade is Fibonacci levels. Like you can see, market just made a fall, sell on rise. You can also join to our Telegram channel. We have given a link in chat box. You can join our Telegram channel so that you can get updates of our life and updates of our trade even when we are offline. Don't book this trade. This trade can go long enough. Not much long, but it can go. It could give us a perfect target, best profit. Market is just breaking these levels too. Mhm. We are going to tell our stop loss below this swing, even in Ethereum at this swing. Because if market rejects from these levels, it can go for this liquidity zone. So those who have joined now, you can to get a trade. Wait till market break this zone, retest on the same zone. We can plan a buy at these levels too, and then we can hold for upper targets. Don't get sad or don't get in FOMO. Market is still not broke this zone. Market will broke this zone. Once market break this zone and retest on the same zone, we can plan a buy side here, and then we can plan for upper target. Now, oh, almost 360. So now you can place your stop loss at this swing. Now go C2C. Go C2C in both side. In both side, even in Ethereum and even in BTC. Place your stop loss cost to cost. Or if you wish, you can place it in profit too. But if you want to hold, you can place it cost to cost. This can be also a trade for the latecomers who joined our stream lately. but I am from here holding in both the side. For latecomers who joined our stream lately, they can plan this trade too. So are you still holding the trade or have you exited in profit? Ethereum is ejecting, but we are getting small candle closing in BTC. Ethereum is just rejecting, but we are going to hold this. We are going to keep our stop loss C2C in both the trades. We are going to hold it. I just love holding the trades. For the latecomers, this trade is on for you too. And in gold. Okay. This is our entry in gold. We have a big stop loss. We can keep it till these levels. Yes, bro. Hold it. This is our gold trade. Yep, we got a perfect retracement on our zone. Not in Ethereum. Ethereum just ejecting, but we got a perfect retracement in BTC. We are going to place stop loss of sorry, target of 500 points and 750 points in this long trade. Yes, the latecomers who wanted the trade, we have placed this trade for them too. They can plan this trade in BTC. Re-entry them. Yes, yes, yes. You can place a entry. There's a generated entry in Bitcoin now because Bitcoin broke this zone, facing a retracement on this zone, and we can plan for upper targets. But in Ethereum is not even broke this zone. Ethereum is just rejecting. But with a small, there is a trend line too. Like I'll show you. This is a trend line to small trend line, but with 7 to 8 points of stop loss, you can plan this trade too, like till these levels. But I'll just let you know to just wait in Ethereum. Let market break this zone. Like if you want to go aggressive, you can have this trade. But if you want to go safe in Ethereum, just wait till market break this zone, made a retest on this zone, and then you can plan for the buy side day. But there's a re-entry in BTC. So those who are new, join our Telegram channel, like our stream, subscribe our channel. Even if you'll see, just we'll just place an risk reward ratio here, and we'll just see. This is an aggressive trade for the Ethereum because there's none breakout in trendline 2 and none of breakout of zone 2. See, gold trade. This is our gold trade. We planned there with 0.618 levels. हा टेलिग्राम सेटअप ही येईल का आपला टाकत जाईल ना मी सेटअप मी जस्ट तिथं तुला प्रोव्हाइड करेन जसं की मी कुठे ते एंट्री घेतली ते मी प्रोव्हाइड करेन माझं स्टॉप लॉस माझे टार्गेट्स देखील मी तुला प्रोव्हाइड करेन फक्त एक्झिट पॉईंट तुला ओळखावं लागेल जर मी त्यावेळेला लाईव्ह असेल किंवा मी त्यावेळेला सेटअपला असेल किंवा त्यावेळेला मी जर माझा ट्रेड वॉच करत असेल तर मी तुला इव्हन मी बुक केलेलं देखील मी तुला इन्फॉर्म करेन लाईक टू टेलिग्रामला आता जाऊ शकतोस आणि बघू शकतोस की मी कसं कसं काय 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 माझे जुने हे लाईव्ह माझे ट्रेड्स मी तिथे अपडेट केलेले आहेत. तसं रोज येत जाईल. इव्हन मी कधी लाईव्ह येतो, लाईव्हची माझी लिंक देखील मी तिथं टाकत जाईन. मी तर माझ्या हिशोबाने तुला जेवढं तुम्हाला एक इझी पडेल तेवढं मी तिथं तुम्हाला प्रोव्हाइड करत जाईन. जेवढं तुम्हाला मार्केट बघायला देखील इझी पडेल, तर जेवढं तुम्हाला मार्केट समजून घ्यायला देखील इझी पडेल, ते मी तिथं सगळं इन्फॉर्म करत जाईन. So those are new, like our stream, join our YouTube channel too and Telegram channel too. The aggressive trade of Ethereum and perfect retest trade of BTC. लाइक करो यार, स्ट्रीम को लाइक करो, फिर मजा आएगा. So in BTC, we are from these levels in trade, but if you want it again, we got a breakout retracement and it can follow through. And we are just getting a breakout in a trend line of Ethereum too. And there is a small trend line here too in 1 minute. You can also plan this setup. So BTC ना एक ब्रेकआउट देखील दिलेला आहे त्या ट्रेंड लाईनचा. BTC gave a breakout of trend line. Ethereum to giving a breakout, but still candle closing haven't placed. BTC is strong. BTC can even face the rejection, can even break this trend line or break this zone. But Ethereum is little weak. Once it go for selling, Ethereum can get a perfect target in sell off. But in buy side, Bitcoin can give us a perfect target. Gold just made a rejection. Let's see if it performs the test and fall again. The people who are holding from down levels, just let you know that keep your stop loss C to C because we are seeing a perfect target from this zone. So don't exit in loss. Don't exit in loss. We are going to trend line update. We are going to edit it. Like you can see, Ethereum is weak, but BTC is strong. And the risk reward ratio which I have drawn. So you're still holding the both side trade. And newcomers, have you entered the trade in both side or in Ethereum or in BTC, whatever? Let us know. We almost got holding boat. Okay, okay, okay. And we got almost 3 to 3 votes. And we have got 100% in BTC. I thought everyone is just holding BTC. Earning got $40 profit. Okay. So you holded it perfectly. So you got perfect target. But I think you were in both sides, in Ethereum too and in BTC too. Then how come you got so less profit? Because we catch a perfect target and we got a perfect big move. Not that much, but we got a big move. I thought you would have got 100 to $150 in morning. The newcomers can trail your stop losses. Oh, the reason I keep my stop loss at these levels in gold. So those who are new, you can like our stream, you can subscribe our channel, even you can join our Telegram channel too to get live updates daily. The latecomers can also trail their stop loss. Between I close by mistake. क्या भागने लगे मर्दा इतना अच्छा ट्रेड था सुबह का अगर होल्ड भी करते तो अच्छा टारगेट मिलता देखो तो देखो 1100 पॉइंट्स यहाँ पर 1200 पॉइंट्स यहाँ पर और यहाँ पर भी यहाँ का डेटा हमने ये ट्रेडिंग भी मार्क किया था इवन इफ यू होल्डेड द ट्रेड यू वुड हैव गॉट अ परफेक्ट टारगेट ओके सॉरी बट यू डोंट विन बट यू नो प्रॉफिट यू नो मनी यू आर गेटिंग इट नाउ Ethereum is just facing rejection. Once Ethereum break this zone, na, it can make a big move. But it's just facing rejection from the zone. BTC had broke the zone and it's in buy side. But Ethereum is just facing rejections. Wait once let Ethereum break the zone. The morning profit was so big. Like you can see 1200, it's almost more than 1000 points. More than 1000 points. And in Ethereum, we were holding from this zone 50 points in Ethereum too. See, market is just facing rejections from the zone which we have drawn. We almost got high of 500 points in BTC. High of 500 points in BTC. Ethereum just making worst. Almost 15 points in Ethereum too. It is just facing rejection. BTC can retest from this level, but Ethereum is just pulling itself down. and it's just leading BTC to pull itself down. The trade perfect, we are getting a perfect target. You book accordingly. I'm just going to hold this trade by keeping my stop loss at these levels in BTC, and I'm just keeping C2C stop loss in Ethereum because Ethereum is just getting rejection from the upper levels. Once Ethereum broke this zone, it can make a big move for upside. But you can see, don't exit in loss. This chat, don't exit in loss. Trail your stop loss in profits. You can place your stop loss at these levels in Ethereum, BTC, and in Ethereum, there's none way. We have to only keep our stop loss C2C. We can get a fall in gold from these levels too. Almost we can keep these levels as our target, and in BTC to these levels could be our target. Yep, we have placed our target perfectly. It's just rejection candle. Ethereum is just pulling both of them downwards. So I will just let you know, don't exit in loss. I'm just going to repeat my one sentence, don't exit in loss. I have capacity to hold. If even you have capacity to hold, just trail your stop loss. Without trailing, don't hold it. Mm-hmm. Almost high of 14 points. Almost high of 500 points. Everyone should exit this trade in profit only. Even if you are getting low profit, but don't exit it in loss. Let's have a look in big time frame. This is our sell side trend line, but I'm not lean on sell side that much. I'm lean on buy side. If market interest on this trend line, then we can plan for buy side again. So at what points did you exit? Even if we try a sell side from these levels, we still need a retracement for getting in sell side. We can't jump nakedly without any reasons here. There is a zone to from these levels. Once let market break this zone, we can plan for sell side like this. BTC is just supporting on our trend line. So those who are new to our channel, you can join our Telegram channel. You can join our YouTube channel too by subscribing us. We are given a link in we have pinned a link in chat of our Telegram channel. And don't forget to like our stream. Don't forget to subscribe us. So we are even getting a trend line breakdown at these levels. Yes. Let's see if we plan. We can plan. I'm just putting risk reward ratio. I'm not planning. I have not even entered in this trade. So don't jump in this trade. Yes, yes, yes. We got a breakdown. We got a small target and we got a breakdown. I'm just waiting. I'm not in this trade now. I'm just waiting. I'm just seeing if we can get a perfect trade from here. I'm not entered in this trade. So don't jump in. For Ethereum, I think we should have to wait till this zone with stop loss of almost 10 points and target up to these trend lines. If we jump in between at these levels, the stop loss must be bigger of almost 15 points. I'm not getting for buy side now because market is just facing rejections from the upper levels. So I'm not interested to buy at these levels. We just attempt and we just try once for selling from the upper levels. This is our trend line. And this is our trend line in BTC. Wait till we get a breakdown. Wait till retracement of this trend line. We have two views now. We can wait for this breakdown of trend line and break this zone. And there is a retracement in BTC. Like I said, BTC is strong, but Ethereum is not strong that much. This is trend line of BTC. I'll just try selling once in BTC. I'll just try selling at these levels. Let till market come till this zone. It's an aggressive trade, so jump accordingly. With stop loss of almost 300 points, we can even get our stop loss and target up to 500 points. It's an aggressive trade in both the sides. In both the sides, it's an aggressive trade. So jump accordingly. If you like risk, अगर रिस्क से इश्क है तो कूद पड़ो. If you want to plan it safely, wait till market break this zone and retest. And you can plan the further targets. It's an aggressive trade with stop loss of almost 12 points because we are getting rejection from the upper levels. No, BTC is strong, but still I'm going to hold this trade. BTC is strong. BTC can pull Ethereum upside. And if it goes for sell side, Ethereum can pull BTC downside. Let's check who is stronger. We are getting a strong candle in gold. Oh, sorry. So it's my aggressive trade in both the sides, even in Ethereum, even in BTC. It's my aggressive trade. Those who have jumped in this trade for selling, they can let me know so that I can get guide them. Is anyone in this selling side trade of Ethereum and BTC? So this is aggressive trade. So I'm not going to keep my stop loss much. I'm not going to hold this much. Yes, BTC is falling too. Didn't you enter in the sell side trade? I have even updated this trade on Telegram channel too. I was just shouting everyone that it's an aggressive trade. You can plan it. You can plan it. You can plan it. You can get this liquidity. You can wait. You can even plan this trade at these levels. Don't get in FOMO. Don't buy in FOMO. Wait perfectly. Wait till market retest on this trend line. Yes, you can see market is retesting on the same trend line and even retesting on this zone too. Don't plan in FOMO. See, we got a retracement here. You can plan at these levels with stop loss of almost 250 points here and target up to 500 points. This can be a selling setted for those who are latecomers. Those who are latecomers, you can plan this trade. The reason to plan is the same, simple. Trend line back down, retest and follow through. Don't get in FOMO. If you miss the trade, no issues. Wait, we get the perfect setup again. Market gives us a setup again and again and again. If even after 15 to 20 or 30 minutes, market gives you an entry to get trapped. So we have to just find in what trade we are getting trapped and what trade we are not getting trapped. So see, even after retracement, we are getting a perfect target. I'm holding from the top, so I'm getting best target. You are also getting a perfect target. See now, trailer stop loss at these levels or these levels. Don't get in FOMO. Just keep your mind chill. So even we are getting a retracement in Ethereum too. Those who want Ethereum trade, you can plan this trade. Latecomers for only for latecomers. Those who are in this trade from the top, they can hold it. This is trade for latecomers. So see, you got a retracement in BTC and even you got a retracement in Ethereum. Now you can plan this both side trade. So did you jump in the trade of Ethereum and BTC both side for selling? Are you still waiting? This is the reason. I always tell you, don't get panic. Wait for the levels. You will get entry. Don't get in FOMO. Even don't get in panic. Just wait for our levels. You will get a perfect target. So I have jumped in the trade. I am still waiting for everyone get their target and will get in FOMO. So the targets have been achieved in Ethereum, even in BTC. Targets have been achieved, but you can hold with the trailing stop loss of this high till this trend line. I'm holding this trade till this trend line because after this trend line bounce market may reverse. So I'm just going to hold till that trend line. Let's see what market makes. Don't book your position. I'm just saying that what high market is giving. That's why I'm keeping this. You can hold till these levels. I'm going to hold personally hold this trade till this trend lines because market can fall till these levels in both the sides. Even in BTC, I'm going to hold till these trend line levels because after trend line bounce, market can reverse. Because trend line will face a retracement. So that's why we are going to keeping the targets till that zone. We got almost high of 20 points and 200 and 400 points. So like I said to you, Ethereum is weak, but BTC is strong because BTC is pulling and BTC is not falling that much like Ethereum. But personally, this trade I'm going to hold till these trend line levels. The reason to hold is there is a trend line which market breaks and it is coming for the retest. Once it retests on this level, it can make a bullish move. So that's why I'm going to hold till this trend line, but with a trailing stop loss. I'm not going to give a single loss from this particular trade. I'm just going to hold till that levels. Those who are new to our channel, like our stream, subscribe our channel, and you can join our Telegram channel. The description is given. There's given link in description too. Sorry, in chat box too, and we are just pasted a QR code on our screen too. You can join using that QR code too. So the reason behind this fall was simple. This trend line perfectly, even in BTC, this trend line fall. So don't forget to like our stream. Don't forget to subscribe us. And even you can join our Telegram channel for live updates daily. So as I told, we can get a fall. We are just going to hold this trade till this trend line. Once we got a bounce on trend line, we are going to exit this trade because this trend line broke. We are just waiting for the retracement on this trend line. So are you still holding this trade? Like I said, I'm going to hold this trade till this trend line. I think I can get a trend line test now. Oh, so I got a trend line test in Ethereum now. Almost 25 points for latecomers and almost 31 points for the early ones who got in with me. Almost 400 points for latecomers and 600 points for those who came with me. So anyone live watching, those who are in this trade, you can rewind my live and see. I just told you I'm going to exit this trade once we got a boom, once we got touch on our trend line in both the side. We are getting a touch on our trend line. So I'm going to exit this trade. So is anyone holding this trade from top or even in latecomers? I just updated this position on our Telegram channel. Is anyone still holding this trade? 500 points even in late entry. 40 points on live. Nah, it's not going to be bullish. Just trail your stop loss. You can place your stop loss at these levels in BTC and at these levels in Ethereum. Don't hold much now and don't go counter. Don't plan counter. Like if this much selling has happened now, I'll make a buy side move from here. Don't play it counter trade. So were you in this in sell side or not in both the sides? I just think I can hold this gold trade too. So did you book a profit in sell side? or not? So what's the points you booked in both the trade? In Ethereum, in BTC. Let us know the profit. So see bro, just now we have closed the trade. Now wait. Get a bit of oxygen for yourself. A human being also needs oxygen with money. So wait a minute. Let market give us any extra confirmation for buy side, then we can plan for buy side. Till then, just wait calmly. Just let us know your profit of selling. Even let us know the profit of buying, which we placed here in both the side, and even let us know the selling profit, which now you have broke. Bro, with what lot size do you trade? What's your lot size, bro? This is the reason I said don't plant counter from these levels. It may fall to, it may reverse to. Just now, just take oxygen. Just breathe oxygen. Oh, 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 oh. See, almost 700 points and almost 700 points and almost 900 points. Almost 40 points and 45 points. This is how we trade. It can fall from here too. 700 points and 900 points in front of you. I'll just update this on our yeah, bro. For beginner, $35 is much. Morning $40, night $40. You almost got $80. It's a much big amount for beginner. That's why don't get FOMO. Everything we can't do everything. Like we can't plan trade to for buy side or sell side every side. And just update these positions on our Telegram channel. So have you joined our Telegram channel or not? If you're not, then just join our Telegram channel. So I have updated these positions on our Telegram too. So afterwards they can see how we plan our trade. Now just wait, bro. You almost got $80 in a day. It's more than enough. More than enough for a beginner like you. So just now wait. Let market make anything there. Then we will play. Till then, you can just like our stream, subscribe us, join our Telegram channel, be with us, trade with us, trade like us. So those who are new, join our Telegram channel. We have already shared a link in chat box. We have pinned it in chat box, and even we are given a QR code below here. You can join using it too. And don't forget to like our stream. Don't forget to subscribe us. Join with us, trade like us, get profit like us. So if we get a retracement here, we can plan a buy side, but it could be aggressive trade. We can even get a stop loss in it. If you wish, I'll define you this trade. But if you are good decent profit in morning, you can risk it all. Like this could be entry point, this could be stop loss. You can plan targets till this zone. Same in BTC. This could be a trade in Bitcoin. We trend line the test. But I'm not going to enter in this trade personally because I have got a perfect target for morning. Here to 1200 points, here to 500 points, here to 900 points. So if you wish, you can enter this trade with small stop loss of almost 250 points and target up to 700 or 600 points. Yes, yes, BTC too. See, like you can see, it's a trade in BTC with almost 250 points SL and target up to 1 is to 2, like 500 points. The reason for this trade is simple. It's a trend line. We got a retest on trend line and we can plan here. This could be an BTC trade. This is Ethereum trade. With retracement, you can plan it. But I'm not going to plan it personally because I have a best profit from morning. I don't want to blow it. But it's with technically, it's a perfect trade. Yes, yes, yes. Tomorrow morning, I am live at 9 a.m. If you wish, you can plan this trade with small stop loss. Entry must be at this level. Stop loss must be of this level, 200 points. You can plan this target till these levels in both the side. If you have best profit, you can risk almost $10 from here. You can plan this trade. Against $10, you can plan $20 or $30. So if you are in this trade, let me know so that I can guide you. with a perfect stop loss and perfect target. Let me know if you are jumped in this trade. Okay, bro. But this trade is going perfectly well in both the sides. Okay. Join us at tomorrow morning 9:15 a.m. We will be live at 9:15 a.m. at tomorrow morning. You can see our analysis, a perfect analysis in both the sides, even for sell side, even for the buy side. So even I am going to end the stream now because it's almost late. So those who are new to our channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Join our Telegram channel so that we can you can get everything live which we post or which we trade or what we trade. So don't forget to join our Telegram channel too. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. We come live at every morning 9 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. and at night 10:30 p.m. to 12 a.m. So this is our live timings every day. You can join our live every day and even join our Telegram channel too so that you can get live updates daily.